Class 7th, Subject English, Chapter 1.1. It's a Small World English Workshop. Question 1. Sing the song. This song sing with your friends or teachers. Question 2. Note down pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Add one more rhyming word to each pair. Answer. Pairs of rhyming words. One more word. Tears, fears, ears. Share, aware, care. Sun, one. Run. Divide, wide, ride. Question 3. Guess and discuss the meaning of the following lines. It's a world of laughter. Answer. The line means that it is the world of happy people. We laugh when we are happy. Laughter here means happiness. A world of tears. Answer. The line means that the world is full of grief and sorrow. Tears are the symbol of sorrow and unhappy people. It's world of hope. Answer. The lines means that there are people who have hopes and ambitions. The wish to live on hopes. They are hopeful about their future life. And a world of fears. Answer. The line means that there are many things that fear them. There are calamities, dangers, depression that cause fear among people. Question 4. The poem says, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Give example of other action or gestures that mean the same in all parts of the world. Give three examples of gestures or actions that have a specific meaning only in certain region. One such example would be the thumbs up sign. Answer 1. Action or gestures that mean the same in all parts of the world. 1. V sign. Rising index, finger and middle finger like sign V to express victory or success. 2. Shake hands. To take somebody's hand and move it up and down as a way of saying hello or to show that you are agree about something. 3. Bow. To move your head or top of your body forward or downwards as a sign of respect. 2. Gestures or actions that have a specific meaning in certain region. 1. Touching feet of a person to show respect to the elderly or respectful person. 2. Rubbing cheeks on another person's cheeks for showing love or close relationship. 3. Namaste or Ram Ram used for greeting somebody or to say hello. Question 5. Do yourself. Write down three of the conversations you have prepared, presented, heard. Answer 1. Aman. Hi, how are you, Jaggu? Jaggu. Fine. And how are you, Aman? Aman. How happy I am. Back to school again and new class, new books, new teachers, new friends. Jaggu. Yes. Back from the holiday. It is nice to meet back in school. Aman. Really very nice. Let us go to our new class. Jaggu. Yes, sure. To Rama. Hello, Kuhu. Kuhu. Hi, how are you? Rama. Fine. How did you spend your holidays? Kuhu. I had been to my native's place. My whole family was there. We enjoyed a lot. What about you? Rama, I couldn't go anywhere, but many of my friends were here. We had so much fun together. Kuhu, and here is school. We shall have much more fun together. Rama, let us join our old friends. 3. Mishti. Hello. Tejas. Hello. I am new here in this school. Mishti. What's your name? Tejas. Tejas. Tejas Desmukh. I don't know. What are the boys like? I'm feeling lonely. Mishti. Don't worry. You will get many good friends here. Tejas. Who is this with you? Mishti. Oh, sorry. Meet my friend Ria. Tejas. Hi. Welcome to our school. Mishti. Thank you.